In this video, I'm going to show you how to master Kajabi in just minutes and set up your first paid offer. My name is James. I've been running a six-figure online business on Kajabi for years now, from courses, coaching, funnels, email marketing. Literally everything I do primarily is inside of Kajabi. I've also helped hundreds of other creators better understand Kajabi and start making their first sales. Now in this video, I'm not going to walk you through every single feature and overwhelm you with the settings. It's more about how to understand Kajabi, what to click, what to ignore, how to think about building out your Kajabi offers so you can get set up way faster and get your offer live. That way you can get Kajabi to do what it's actually meant to do, which is help you sell. So if you are brand new to Kajabi or you've been feeling stuck, let's jump in and get you set up the right way. Before we dive into Kajabi, I first want you to just understand how online business actually works. So when you're building your online business, the first thing we need to do is get discovered. This could be through paid advertisement, social media posts, YouTube videos, podcasting, public speaking, speaking at summits, anything like that that gets you discovered. Then from there, we offer people something either free or paid that gets them onto our email list. And once they join your email list, then you can send them more emails and make offers. This is how simple online business is, and this is exactly what Kajabi was designed to support. If you've ever bought anything online, you first discovered it through an advertisement or piece of content, you opted in and gave them your email address, got some emails, and then they made you an offer, and then you decided to buy it. So everything that we are about to build for your online business is going to fit inside of these four pieces. Before we get into building this, if you are thinking about using Kajabi and you want to test it out yourself, I've got a link right below this video that's going to give you a 30-day free trial of Kajabi. And when you use it, you're also going to get my exclusive Kajabi course that I've created to help you get set up and start earning your first dollars super fast. On top of that, you also get a private coaching session with me where we'll sit on Zoom and I will help you out with getting your first offer live or answer any technical questions you have about Kajabi or your overall strategy. If you want more details on that, just click the button right below this video and then you can get signed up. Kajabi does have a really cool feature in here if you need to get one of these funnels up really fast. If you go over to the marketing tab, go over to funnels and then click new funnel, you can get a wide range of different types of funnels that you can build. My personal favorite for helping you with that whole how online business works section is the sales page funnel. You click show me how, and it'll walk you through. You get an opt-in page, you get those 8 emails, sales page, and a checkout page, and it's all built within one click. So you put in your name, pick the product you want to create, and then create your funnel. So as you can see, we have our opt-in page, we have our email sequence, we can write out our different emails in here, we get our sales page, and then we get our checkout page as well. Now, what I want you to understand is that yes, Kajabi has this feature, and yes, it's very fast to build out the funnel and make it all linked together nice and smooth, but this is very limiting. This is the extent of the template that you get with your sales page. So for me personally, I do not build funnels in my own business using this, even though it's very shiny, it's very cool, and this is what most people will tell you to just build out. But because of the limitations that come from it, I don't like to do it. For me personally, I'd rather build out each individual piece because it converts better and it gives you way more control and flexibility. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna build out each one of these pieces individually, but before we even get into that, we first need to talk about what your offer is going to be. To get started in building your product, we're going to go over to the products tab and click on all products. That way you can see what you want to build. Then we'll go over to new product. And from here, you're going to have a wide range of different types of offers and products that you can create inside of Kajabi, from a course, podcast, a coaching program, a paid community, a newsletter, or some kind of download like an ebook or something like that. Now, I'm not going to get into the weeds about which product I think that you should build first because all of them can work, and really it just depends on your audience. So the clearer you are about who you're helping and what you're helping them do, and the more you know about your audience, the more this becomes obvious. The biggest thing to understand when it comes to selling a product, because you don't want to just build a product for fun, I imagine. You want to turn this into an income stream because you're paying for Kajabi. So in order to make that happen, you have to realize that an offer is simply just an outcome. If I tell you that, hey, my birthday is this weekend and I want to invite you, do you want to come over? That is an offer. The problem is that most people make vague, generic offers to random people or to every single person under the sun, and there's not a clear person that they're helping and a clear outcome that they're helping them get. So whichever one of these you want to choose, a course, a community, a coaching program, a newsletter, it doesn't really matter as much as the outcome that you're helping people get. The program is just the vehicle to get them from point A to point B. So when you can really nail that payoff and then pick one of these that seems like the best vehicle to help them get that payoff, that's when you have a really good offer that you can sell. So let's say that I help amateur golfers go pro and I want to create an online course that's going to help them master their golf swing so they can up their game. It's a very clear audience and a very clear painful outcome that those people want to get better at. So if I decide on a course, I'll click get started and I'm just going to run through all the prompts here to decide if it's going to be evergreen, cohort. Evergreen just means it's on its own. Click next, and then you're going to fill out all this information. So once you've got your offer set up, you're going to follow Kajabi's prompts and update any of this information that you want to update, create videos, build out your program, and then we can move on to the next piece, which is all the marketing materials. So what we're going to do next is build out your opt-in page and your freebie, or it could be some kind of paid freebie or lead magnet as well. What we'll do is we'll go over to the website tab and click on landing pages. There is a tab called website pages, but the website pages are for your website and they're a lot more limiting than the landing pages. So in here, we'll go over to create a new landing page, and then we can pick the category that we want, which is going to be an opt-in page down here. These are all templates for different things: thank you page, link in bio, a podcast, cart sales page, all that kind of stuff. So already you can see that by doing it piece by piece and going through landing pages, we have a lot more control and flexibility on what the pages look like. They can fit your brand. They're going to convert better rather than going through the pre-built funnel feature that Kajabi has. So we'll go in here and we're going to check out the different opt-in pages to collect people's email addresses. And I personally let's do McKenna. So we'll hit get started and then we can call this whatever we want to call your freebie or your offer that you're going to make. We'll hit create and it's going to build out that template for us. Now, while that's building, I just want to talk to you about freebies and these entry-level offers that we're giving people to get them onto our email list. If they're not really getting value from signing up for your email list or giving you their private information, then they're not going to sign up, which means that you're not going to have as good of conversions. So for your freebie, decide on one small persistent problem that your main offer solves and just solve that one problem, but solve it fully. You see, what a lot of people do is they go over their whole big offer and they just glaze over it and it doesn't really do anything. And then that's why people unsubscribe or they forget about the creator and leave the email list. When you can tangibly solve a real problem, you build trust with this person. And ideally, by solving this problem, we're opening the door to new problems that your paid offer will solve. So for example, if my main offer teaches you how to create and sell an online course, then the freebie could just be helping you find your profitable course idea, nothing else. So once you've nailed down what your freebie is going to be and how it's going to set up your paid offer, then we just need to go into our landing page and fill out two things. The first one is whatever our copy is going to be that's going to sell people actually doing this. And then we need a form to collect their email address. So for the copy, you need to write a really captivating headline that makes people say, I need that. That is my problem. And all we have to do, if you have a good idea and payoff with your freebie, is you just need to state what the payoff is, because then they think that's what I want, and then they take action and move forward. So if my freebie was helping people find their profitable course idea, I'm simply going to say, find your profitable online course idea, download my free template, and finally nail the perfect online course idea for you. From here, we'll click right here to add in a form. Now, I'm assuming you don't have a form, so we're going to click edit forms right there. We'll go in here, click new form, and then I'll add that in, just the headline. All right, you can do a double opt-in. I kind of like single opt-in, it's a bit faster. Form fields, name and email address, or you can just do email, totally up to you. But what's really important is that when people land on this page and they give you their email address, they need to get the email. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down here, add an automation. When this form is submitted, then we're gonna send them an email. And we're gonna say, online course idea template. You don't need to make this complicated. And then down here, we'll say, hello, first name. We'll write a little message. So all I said was, hello, first name. Thanks for picking up my online course idea template. Can't wait to see what you come up with. You can grab your template here. And I'm going to highlight that, bold it, underline it. This is the link that they're going to click to get their freebie. Now, what you do is when you build out your freebie, I recommend either having it in Canva, or I always put mine inside a Google Drive. and I'll go over to one of mine. This is the PDF that they're going to get. And I'm going to click on share, go to anybody with the link as a viewer, copy the link, and then I'm going to click this little link icon, paste it. This is the text they see. Okay. Actually, I'm going to bold and underline that one more time. You can make it whatever your color is. If you have any questions, just email me, James, and then save. So once we've set up our form, we're going to go back over to our landing page and we're going to select forms. This is my crazy long name, but this will be our profitable course idea template. We'll click on that and then hit save. And of course, you can change up the colors in the background, all that stuff. I'm not going to do that right now though. So now that you got your opt-in page, the next page we're going to need is your sales page. This is the page that actually sells your offer. So what we'll do is go back over to website, landing pages right here, click on new landing page, and then we'll go down to sales. We can view all of them. You can go through these, pick whichever one makes the most sense to you. In my opinion, the one that is the most like battle tested or ready to go right out of the gate is Prosper. I think this looks awesome. So it's already got FAQ, about me section, has a good little roadmap of what you're going to get from this, etc. So we're going to go with this. Click get started, name it whatever the name of your product is. And again, there's so many ways to write a sales page, but at the end of the day, what's going to actually sell your program isn't the fact that it's an online course or a newsletter or a coaching program. It's the outcome and the payoff that people are going to get by investing in this and doing the things that you recommend. As soon as you stop talking about the payoff, they stop thinking about it and then they walk away. The opt-in page, the emails that you send, the sales page, everything needs to be communicating and showing the value of getting this payoff and how you're going to make it a lot easier when you invest in this program. So I'm not going to break down every single section of the sales page just for the sake of time. But the biggest thing I want you to remember is that from your headline, talk about the payoff. The subheading, talk about the payoff. You're not teaching them everything there is to know about this. You are just talking about the payoff, the outcome they're going to get, and how this program is going to make getting that outcome much easier for them. So when you get to this section about what the modules have, show step by step how this is clearly going to get them to the payoff. When you talk about who you are, don't talk about your entire life story. Just talk about what parts of your story relate to this payoff and why you are a credible person to be helping them get to that payoff. Every one of your testimonials should highlight real examples of people who got the promise or the payoff that you're talking about. And then you work on your pricing. FAQs are crushing objections and questions that people have around the payoff. Can you see how important the payoff is? Now, last piece of the puzzle we need here is a simple email follow-up from when people opt in and they pick up that freebie. That's that one idea that tees up your paid offer. And we are going to nurture them to the paid offer and show how this is a complete solution. You solve this one problem, here's all these other problems, and we're gonna help you solve those inside of our paid program. To build out the automations and email sequences, it sounds complicated, it's actually really easy in Kajabi. We're gonna go to the marketing tab and we're gonna go to email campaigns. From here, we're gonna go new email campaign and click on email sequence, and then you can name it whatever name of your product you have. From here, they have a lot of different options and templates when it comes to the emails that you send, but quite frankly, I just like using the simple text. I think it is the best one. So we'll just call this email 1 and then create. Now this is the email builder in Kajabi, so you can pick your day and your time that you want this email to be sent. The internal title is only for you, it's what you see. And then the subject is what they see and the preview text. And then you can click on edit content and you can start to write out your email inside of here. You can get rid of the buttons or keep the buttons, whatever it is that you want to do there. Now, a huge question you might be thinking is, okay, James, that's cool, but like, what do I say in these emails? Well, let's go over to test. And then from here, we only have one email set up. So what we're going to do is add a new email. And again, you're going to go through the prompts. We'll click on the simple text. That's my favorite one. Do whatever you want to do though. So when you're adding your emails, all you really need for most products is a simple 5-day email sequence. Yes, you can do more. You could even do less than that. But on average, if you can understand this framework, that's going to put you in a way better position to selling basically whatever it is that you want. So day 0 is the day that they opt in, and that's when they're going to get whatever their freebie is, which I just showed you a minute ago. Day 1 is the day after they opt in. And this can be happening 24/7 around the clock for you with the power of the email sequence and Kajabi. And what you're going to do for these emails is day number 1, you're going to teach them something related to their freebie that they picked up. It could be in the case about an online course idea, teaching them something related to how to help them find an online course idea, share an example, anything like that. Give them an extra little framework or something to work with. Day 2, you're going to teach them something again. Make it really tangible. And the reason that we're front loading with value and quick wins is so that they can trust us to be like, you're my mentor. I like learning from you. And then when we get to the paid offer, it seems obvious and then they want to buy. Day 3, now we're going to teach them something, but transition into an offer. I personally like to share a client testimonial or a journey that someone went on and then be like, hey, we cover all of this in way more detail so you can get the same kind of result inside of my program. That's what I would do for email 3. Email 4, we're going to do a strict offer and be like, hey, I mentioned this one offer. I just kind of want to walk you through how it's different, why it would be worth investing, etc. And you can talk about actually making a clear-cut offer. Again, hitting home the payoff or the outcome that they're going to be getting and showing as much proof as you can without overwhelming them. And then day 5, we're going to do that one more time. I always like to close out with a case study and just let them know that, hey, after today, I'm going to stop messaging you about this. So if you want to pick this up, now is the time to do it. Now I'm going to leave it up to you to write out these emails. But one other thing is that we have to think about a trigger. So we're going to do 2 triggers for every email sequence. We're going to click on add this trigger. And basically, when is this going to get triggered? When are people going to get this? So we're going to click when, go down to a form is submitted, which is what we filled out before for the lead magnet. And I'm going to find the corresponding lead magnet. So find your profitable online course idea. That's the one, hit save. So now as soon as they land on our landing page and they put in their email address to claim their freebie that we gave them, this is automatically going to be triggered. So the day after, they're going to start receiving these emails. We also want to add an unsubscribe trigger. So Kajabi is going to automatically unsubscribe these people from future emails when an offer is purchased. And then we're going to choose what that offer is. So we'll say Golf Swing Mastery was the program that I had used before. And then we're going to hit save. So now, as soon as people submit that lead magnet or give us their email address to claim their freebie, that is going to kickstart this email sequence over the span of the next 5 days. And then if they buy our program on, let's say, day 3, they're like, heck yeah, I want to get that. Then they're going to be taken off of this email sequence right away. Because if they buy it, we don't need to keep sending them emails about the offer because they already purchased the offer. Now, if you can understand what I've shown you in this video, you are going to master Kajabi so much faster than people who keep paying for Kajabi and blame the platform when in reality, they just don't know how marketing and online business really works, which is why they can't sell anything. Now, if you want to watch me build out an entire sales page in Kajabi from scratch, watch this video next and I'll walk you through each step. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and share it with someone else that you think would benefit from it. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below this video. I do my best to respond to everybody. Take what you learned here, get out there, make something happen. I'll see you in the next one.